Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Android phone's home screen animations after unlocking it with the steps. So if you want to add animations when you enter your phone after you unlock it, this is how you can do it. First, you can go to the settings on your Android phone and then just scroll down and find the dynamic effects settings so you can personalize animation effects on your phone by going to the settings, and you'll find this option, home screen entering animations after unlock. So when you unlock your phone, there will be animations, and if you want to set it, you can just tap on this and you can see my phone is currently have no animations when I enter after I unlock it. And here there are some options that you can select it. The first one is fly out by layer, fly out only, fly in, or fly in by layer. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to just use this fly out by layer. Click on apply and you can try it. So you can just lock your phone and then unlock it to see the animations. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.